Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to FSEC's online support program. I am Nusrat Rahim Afridi, your English teacher at Army Public School and College, Potwar Complex, Islamabad, Boys Wing. Today we are starting Unit 3.1, which is titled as The Blanket, written by Floyd Dell. Before we start Unit 3.1, let me tell you something about the author. Floyd Dell was born in 1887 in Pike County, Missouri. He lived in humble financial conditions. At school, Dell developed a love of reading. When he was a teenage boy of only 16, he joined the Socialist Party and started delivering speeches on street corners about his political beliefs and ideas. Dell also wrote for a socialist monthly named as Tri-City Workers magazine. He also worked as a sub-reporter for the Davenport Times. Later, he joined the Chicago Evening Post and by 1911 was editor of the newspaper Friday Literary Review. Dell believed that the everyday life of the middle and working classes provided subjects worthy of serious literary treatment. Now the summary or the synopsis of Unit 3.1. This touching story has a very sensitive subject, that is human relationship. Sometimes closely related people unconsciously or consciously behave coldly and indifferently with their own people without realizing how hurting and depressing their behavior would be. The story is about a son who selfishly thought about himself and intending to marry another young lady decided to send his old father to an old home. His own young son Peter, who was emotionally attached with his old grandfather, disliked his father's decision of marrying and disapproved his decision of sending his grandfather away. Peter's father had brought a lovely, expensive double woolen blanket as a going-away gift for him. When the young lady saw that blanket, she expressed that the blanket was quite big and expensive and shouldn't be given to him. Peter, who was quiet so far, reacted very strongly. He brought a pair of scissors, cut the blanket into two halves, and said sarcastically that a half-cut blanket is enough for an old man, and the remaining half he would save till his own father gets old. Peter said that he would give this piece of blanket to him when he would be a grown-up man and send his old father away from home. Everybody was silent. They were not expecting Peter behaving this way. This is the most touching point of the story. Granddad, as usual, patted Peter's father as he didn't want him to let down. Peter could not control himself and broke into tears. With him they all, Granddad, Peter's father, and Peter started crying together in remorse. Peter taught his father something he had knowingly ignored. When his old father needed him, he was sending him away. Peter's father realized how cruelly he was behaving with his father and hurting him emotionally. That's what Peter actually wanted him to realize. The story ends with a happy reunion of the three family members, making the readers feel happy and relieved. The desired learning objectives. The desired learning objectives are to enable students to understand that human relationship is a sensitive subject which can be spoiled by a little selfishness and indifference. Children, when grow up, should regard their aging parents. Old age parents need more love and care. Sometimes grown-up boys and girls behave selfishly, hurting the feelings and emotions of their old parents. In our Islamic society, to have a joint family system is a blessing. In other countries where the old people are sent away from home, they suffer from loneliness and feel homesick. Now, new vocabulary or the words and their meanings which are used in this unit. Going away gift, something given to a going away person as a gift. Harmonica, a musical instrument also called a mouth organ. Pretty penny, a large sum of money, expensive, costly. Whisper, speak in a low voice, gently, softly.